factory bump stop is rubber and a little shorter than the Sumo Spring. It doesn't have the progressive nature to it as far as the spring rate goes, so it's a much harder, solid impact when you do bottom out the suspension against the factory bump stop. Sumo Spring pops right into place just like the factory one does. It's a little bit taller, and then it also has a progressive spring rate to it so that it comes in a little softer but then ramps up as you need it to stop the upward movement of the suspension.